Nagtataka ako, may ibang araw kasi na sobrang energized ko, tapos meron namang ibang araw na parang wala akong ka-energy kahit na mahaba naman yung tulog ko. So lately, I've been wearing my Ultra Human Ring Air and nakakatulong talaga siya sa akin to understand my body better. Napaka-lightweight niya, kaya akala ko wala akong suot na ganito. So every morning kasi, meron kasi siyang app tapos pwede mo doon makita yung naging sleep quality mo kagabi. Hindi lang yung hours of sleep, pati na rin yung deep sleep, yung REM sleep, tsaka yung overall recovery. Kaya minsan parang nakakatulong din siya. At least hindi ako manghuhula kung bakit ako pagod. Kasi meron ako makikitang mga insights doon within the app na nakakatulong sa akin to make better decisions for the day. Natatrack niya rin yung heart rate, HRV, blood oxygen, skin temperature, daily movement, steps, calories burned, and even my stress and recovery. So lahat ng yun, lahat ng data na yun nakakatulong para I get a clear picture of how my body is doing. As someone who's trying to be consistent with walking and living a healthier lifestyle, I love it how it reminds me to actually listen to my body. Katulad ng if ever na nakita ko sa data na hindi pala ako nag-recover ng maayos kahapon, today alam ko na kailangan kong i-prioritize ang rest. Pero kung ang data kahapon is maganda yung recovery ko, that's a sign for me to push a little harder today with my workout. Another thing that I love about Ultra Human Air is wala siyang monthly subscription. So once you have the ring, you get access to the health insights without paying every month. Ginagamit ko nga rin to kahit naliligo ko. So kasi it's water resistant and it's comfortable to wear during sleep. When it comes to battery life naman, medyo doon lang kailangan ng improvement. Pero kung i-compare mo siya sa mansanas, sa ano kasi mansanas kasi per every night kailangan mo mag-charge. Pero dito, after several days pa bago kailangan mag-charge. At the end of the day, hindi lang naman steps yung nagmamatter. It's about understanding our bodies and mag-build tayo ng better habits and making smarter choices every day. And that's exactly why I'm enjoying my Ultra Human Ring Air. If you want to know more details about this one, I'll leave the link in my bio, so check that out.